Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wig. If this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe. So the last time I showed you guys how I made this U-part wig, and now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I rock this U-part wig. Hi, so I'm somewhere in my bedroom right now, so I just want to show you guys how I'm going to be styling this hair. So let me just adjust this camera. As you can see, I whipped my hair all back. You know, it's not the best all back ever, but it's okay for what I'm supposed to be doing. So I went ahead and added some edge control on the edges. I'm just going to do this one more time so you guys can really see. So next is putting on my wig. Let's do that. So this is the wig, and I'm just gonna give it a little brush. Okay, so now let's do this. So I'll take it from the back to go in there, and the side too. And then let's walk around this side. As you can see, I made sure my pattern it's somewhere on the side because I want this to be like a side pattern. So where it is, now just this way, and then this one is going to go in this way. Okay. Here on this part. Okay, so I'll do more on this side. I'll be using my brush to brush this into the hair. Decide to stretch this up, you know, but I'm not stretching this right now, but you can stretch yourself just to make it blend better. But it is just easy to wear. So let me put a little edge control over that. So that is our U-part wig. As you can see, it looks really nice. It looks light. It's not heavy. It's really light. And like I said, you should stretch yours. Make sure you stretch your hair. So to finish this up, I've decided to use my bobby pins on my hair because I have kinky, crazy hair. Okay, so I'll just. So not Afro Kinky. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. This is how I style my kinky straight wig, U-part wig in particular. Bye.